Alright, this is lesson 1.2, evaluating exponents. A multiplication expression like 3 times 5 means repeated addition. Okay, so for example, 3 times 5 means add 3 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. As opposed to an exponential expression like 3 to the 5th means repeated multiplication, which 3 to the 5th means multiply 3 5 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So let's go through these examples. You're going to evaluate the following expressions. Since this is 4 to the 2nd power, this 2 is telling you to rewrite this expression with 4 2 times. That way you multiply them together and you get 16. In number 2, this number right here is telling you to rewrite 2 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you just simplify. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Next one, this 2 is telling you to rewrite the 5 2 times. So 5 times 5. This 2 is telling you to rewrite the 4 2 times. 4 times 4. That way you get 25 minus 16, which is 9. Last one, 5 to the 3rd power. This 3 is telling you to rewrite the 5 3 times. Now simplify. Let's move on. You should have done the your turn in class, but if not, here are your answers. Go ahead and press pause so that you can take a look at the answers. Moving on, next part, write each expression in expanded form, so we'll expand it first, then evaluate. This is the quantity 2/5 to the 3rd power. So what that means is that we need to rewrite this whole thing 3 times. Here's once, twice, 3 times. So we multiply straight across the numerator, multiply straight across the denominator, and we get 4 times 2 divided by 25 times 5, which is 8 over 125. For the second one, same idea. This is the quantity 1/3 squared. So we'll rewrite this stuff 2 times. Multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Should have done the next two. Check them in the answer key. Here we go. Sometimes exponential expressions contain variables, and to evaluate them, you must first substitute to find the variable. So in this case, evaluate when x equals 3. We just need to substitute x equals 3 in. So the x is here, so we're going to substitute. Now this is what we've been doing. We're going to rewrite 2 3 times, which we've seen before is 8. Over here, the 3 is actually the base. So now we're going to rewrite the 3 2 times. 3 times 3, which is 9. Again, if you want the answers to everything else, you can go ahead and check the answer key.